bahay na nanonood sa inyo. Ayan. At kung meron kayong, I always say this, if you do have TikTok handles, YouTube channels, kindly do so kasi yun na talaga yung labanan ngayon. Even if you get endorsements, they always ask this, ilan ba yung views na kaya mong ibigay sa amin, ilan ba yung followers ninyo, and that will dictate magkano ba yung TFP ninyo. Yun. So, wala ko nun. So, maraming salamat dahil sa kanila at sa mga sumusuporto pa din in my hosting career because I've built it through the years as well. Alright, let's start with Dave Labro.
Hello everyone, I am Fancy and you can follow me on my Facebook page, Facebook account, and you can book us. We have a belly dance group, any performing group, and you can book us in G.Fems. So we perform in any event, cultural or restaurants, and you can see us in Royal Indian and Curry House, Quezon City, and Makati. We inviting you to come and join us.
Thank you so much, Babe number 1. That is once again, ano ulit yun? No, yung Facebook page niyo. G.Fems. G.Fems. Ayan, alright. Wow! G.Fems, alright. They perform on the cultural event, corporate events, kung gusto yung value performance, they can do so. You can contact them. Rich, masapin na nakainan din. We've done that. Ito na nakita na. Pero sa RICH in Quezon City, pero meron originally sa poblasyon to. Tama ba? Makati, sa may Avang Avenue. There we go. Alright, now let's move on to Babe number 2 na maraming fans na nandun. Yeah.
Hi everyone! So, my name is Ayla Hebres. And so, I just want to say thank you to those 3 boys right there. Well, you guys, thank you so much. You guys gave me a lot more confidence in walking here on stage. I love you guys so much. So that's all. Oh, sorry. If you guys want to follow me on TikTok, I have a TikTok account. My username is theycallme.ishe. ISHE. So that's all. Thank you so much.
Theycallme.ishe. That's ISHE. So you can follow her on the TikTok page. I'm pretty much sure mag-enjoy kayo. Mga kids nowadays, they do a lot of things. They dance, they sing, they always entertain you guys. So yun, you can follow her on her TikTok page as well. But na talaga generation. And I'm pretty much sure. Let's move on to Babe number 3.
Hey guys, I just make it short and simple. I'm just a simple person. And I just want to thank my manager, Miss L, for taking care of me every time I have a competition in every part of places in Manila. And I just want to say thank you guys kasi nag-add kayo ng oras para manood dito, para lang makita kami. So yun lang.
Thank you, Babe number 3. Now let's move on to Babe number 4. Welcome back, IC.
Hi everyone, I am IC and welcome back to me. I'm from Bataan, Manila. I would like to thank my makeup artist and also my hunter, my Donnie and my RA, and also to Miss Ed, and then my Nicole, and sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng Summer Bunnies Guest. Welcome back po sa akin, and sobrang saya ko po na nakabalik ulit. And I would like to encourage you all to please follow my page, IC Roa Balal, and also my TikTok account. I also doing TikTok. IC BRL. Yun lang po. Thank you so much.
Alright, thank you so much, IC. That's IC Balal on your Facebook page and IC Roa. IC Arbaral. Kasi yung TikTok page. Facebook page. Ayan. Buti ka nakapagkapali. Alright, and of course, let's go to our hump, starting with hump number 4. Welcome back as well, brother. Ayan, si Brother Kevin. Alright, alam mo na to, you know the drill? Here we go.
First of all, good evening everyone. And very interesting thank you sa pumunta. Ingat sa pag-uwi.
Grabe, wala pa announcement. Pinauwi mo na, brother ko talaga. Alright, that is Force Kevin. Welcome back. And we have here hump number 5. Ayan. Brother, ikaw naman.
Kaya ko lang daw, kaya kayo mga kay tao, kening molay ni Ali. Sobrang saya in aranasan ko kening. Yakop mo ni James na taga Pampanga. Good evening everyone. And just enjoy the pageant po.
Maraming salamat. Kailangan mo, nagulat ako. Ang tahimik niya, very short siya. Tapos biglang, ang dami niyang energy. Palakpakan natin, of course, si hump number 5. Yan. Saan ka sa Pampanga ko?
Sa palit po.
Maraming salamat. Of course, let's move on to hump number 3.
Everyone, thank you for coming tonight. I'm Alexander Mendoza from Bulacan. Hello po.
Alright, Alex, sila yung mga humps talaga natin. Very short and sweet every time they give their messages. Talagang tahimik lang. Kaya kung sa'yo, brother, if you guys have any businesses as well that you guys want to promote, kung meron kayong iba, meron seafood business, may promote group, of course, si Babe number 1. Kindly do so as this a person platform para maraming makaalam how are you going to be contacted. Kasi sa panahon ngayon, it's really, really important to reach out to people. Kasi gano'n na talaga naman. Everyone's out there na talaga. Kaya it's very, very tight. Every time you get a chance to shine, of course, be connected with people, gabitin nyo kagad yung opportunity niya. Last 2 humps, hump number 2.
Good evening everyone. First of all, thank you sa mga sumuporta at pumunta. Mahal ko ako. Jesse Fernandez from Valenzuela.
Kami talaga, alam mo talaga pag lalala na Jesse. Sana. Dapat chick boy siguro na si Jesse, no? Kasi pinapayak na doon, no? Alright brother, now let's move on. Last but not least, hump number 1!
Good evening everyone, my name is Ray Donado Jr. Yung nakalagay din na. Kaya follow niyo ako sa TikTok, FB, saka sa Insta. Ray Donado Jr. Thank you guys.
Alright, I said there is Soleil. Soleil pala, yan. Grabe. Di ko kasalanan ng bro kasi sila yung nagsulat eh. But congratulations to you. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, patuloy natin ang hosts and mates this afternoon. Alright, here my hands right now are winners. Apparent order. So maraming salamat ulit sa ating mga manonood, sa ating judges, Ms. Jen, of course Sir Carlos, Sir Chester, thank you so much for choreographing, of course, our pageantry. Maraming salamat. And I would like to invite here on stage the great designer professional Mr. Jonathan Alegre. Palakpakan mo natin, ladies and gentlemen, helping award our winners.
Hindi apat po na yung 1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright, once again, in no apparent order. I would like to call on starting with the babes first, and I'll move on to the humps. Once I call in your name, kindly move forward. Easy dance. Sino? Ako na kung tatawagin. Si babe number 4. Babe number 2, Ayla Hebres. Again sa grand finals, ayan, si Marco, si Samuel, at si Job. Joining Ayla all the way to the fashion show is babe number 4. Ang simpleng babae natin, babe number 3, Fiona Chan. Alright, Unfortunately, isang babe na lang po yung tatawanin ko. Sa babe na hindi matatawag, congratulations to you still. And hopefully, we'll get to see you again and again and again. The last babe joining us is babe number 4! Okay. Kompleto na ang ating mga babes. Let's move on to our honks. Ang una kong honk na tatawagin ay si... Iba talaga pag nagpabalik. Honk number 4! Gawin! Justin Nas! Nagulat ko si Kevin. Ako ba? Yes, brother. You will be moving to the grand finals. Susunod na honk na tatawagin ay si honk number 3, Alexander Mendoza. Alright. Isang honk na lang ang tatawagan, Ross. So, sa mga honks na hindi matatawag na namin, maraming salamat. Hopefully, this is just the start of your journey. Pero makakasama ka pa namin hanggang grand finals. Ikaw si honk number 2.